Next, now kinds of phrases. There are various kind of phrase. We will discuss total 9 kinds of phrase. First is a noun phrase. Noun, as you know, noun is a name of place, a word that is used as a name of place, person, okay, things. So noun phrase consists of a noun and its modifiers. For example, she has a very nice smile. Clear? So this is a noun phrase. Friday become a cool wet afternoon. So this is also a noun phrase. Tinny mouse, small mouse. This is also a noun phrase. Next is a verb phrase. Verb, a word that is used to describe any action. Clear? So this type of phrase has a verb with another helping verb. Helping verb, like I, like am, was, were, has, have. Okay, so these are the words like am, is, are, was, were. These all are the helping verbs. So verb is a type of phrase has a verb with another helping verb. So he may need some help with his homework. So may is a helping verb, need is a verb. She did do what she had set out to do. So here did is a verb, helping verb, and do is a verb. Was reading is also a verb phrase. Next is the adverb phrase. Adverb phrase, as adverb is a word that is used to modify or modify the verb and another adverbs. So like it work as a adverb in a sentence. It modifies a verb, adverb, or an adjective. It has words like how, when, where, or why. Clear? And used to qualifying the verb, adverb. Next, for example, it's funny how quickly time passed. He worked from home for a few hours. Clear? So these are the examples of adverb phrase. Next is the adjective phrase. Adjective is used to describe or qualify the noun or pronoun. So this type of phrase act like an adjective in a sentence. It modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, the unicorn has a beautiful blue tail. The girl from my town won a scholarship. So you are describing the qualities of the girl using this sentence. The girl from my town won a scholarship. So this is a adjective phrase. Next is a prepositional phrase. As you know, preposition is a word that is used to connect noun or pronoun with other words or clauses. So this type of phrase use an object of preposition, noun or pronoun, and preposition. It uses word like before, after, near, on, etc. All type of prepositions. The cat with him is an expensive pedigree means cat. Okay, so this is a preposition phrase. Okay, with is used here. There are several rare plants by the river. By is a preposition. So this is a prepositional phrase. Next, infinitive phrase. Infinitive means that is usually begin with word to, and follows by base form of verb. Like these type of phrase use an infinitive which act like a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, he lives to please other. First of all, to is there, and then verb is there, base verb. I have a desire to drive a car. This is also an infinitive phrase. I have desire to achieve my goal. I have desire to get a first position in my class. Clear? So these all are the examples of infinitive verb that is begin with word to and follows by the base form of verb. Next is a gerund. Gerund phrase is a noun formed from a verb and refers to an action. Clear? So this type of phrase uses a gerund to complete a thought. The gerund phrase functions like a noun almost. So the cowing crows were such a nuisance. We had lots of fun trying to cook outdoors. Clear? Next is a participle phrase. Participle meaning adjective made from a verb. So this type of phrase uses either present participle or past participle verb and act like an adjective. It uses a comma or commas to punctuate in a sentence. Means in this commas like also used to punctuate in a sentence, like the young mother raising her kids needs extra spot. The sky, comma, turning a pale shade of pink, comma, was a sight to behold. Sleeping. So these all are the examples of participle phrase. Next is the absolute phrase. The absolute phrase is a group of words that is used to modify an independent clause as a whole. So this type of phrase is called nominative phrase. It uses a noun, a pronoun or a participle and tells more about the sentence. It looks like a clause, but it does not have a true finite verb, and it is separated by a comma in a sentence. For example, the storm having left, comma, the city calmed down. Clear? So these all are the kinds of phrases